What is the best business insurance for an LLC? If this is a question you have, we're going to answer it today. Hi, Ryan Hanley here, founder and president of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. If you enjoy this video, if you get any value from it, just tap that like button for me. That just helps more people who have a similar question to you find this video, and I appreciate it. Okay, so what is the best business insurance for an LLC? This is kind of a broad question because there's not really a specific industry that an LLC fits into. That being said, there are certain considerations that you have to think about with an LLC versus, say, a corporation or a sole proprietorship. So first and foremost, you have to find a company that wants to work not necessarily with an LLC, because that isn't going to determine whether a company wants you or not. You want to find an insurance company that fits your industry class. So if you're a consultant, an office risk, there's going to be a whole set of carriers that are going to be best fit for you. If you're a contractor, or you're starting a small manufacturing shop, or you're a food truck or a restaurant, something like that, there's going to be a whole other set of carriers that want to work with you specifically. And finding an agent such as Rogue Risk who understands these differences is going to be the key to getting the right setup. Now, that being said, there are a few things that you need to consider when it comes to workers' compensation and being an LLC, and in particular, how many members you have. If you have one or two members in your LLC, those members can choose to opt out of coverage in that choose to opt out of workers' comp coverage specifically. So what you can say as a single or two-member LLC is we decide, either individually or together, that we do not want the workers' compensation to cover us. This is also true for sole proprietorships or partnerships that may not be LLCs. Corporations don't necessarily have this option, and multi-member LLCs beyond one or two lose this right as well. But you can opt out, and therefore, if you get injured as someone who's opted out, you don't have the benefits of workers' comp, but you also don't have to pay premiums on your salary. Now, a lot of business owners choose this option because they want to save bucks. I have mixed emotions on that decision, because if you get hurt as a business owner, you're going to want the benefits that come from workers' comp. You don't want to be out of commission paying out of pocket for injuries or trying to work through injuries because you don't have that workers' comp benefit just to save a few dollars in premium. But I do understand, as a small business, sometimes you have to kind of make that cost-benefit analysis, and that's one of the things you need to do. So when you're looking for insurance for an LLC, the key is not necessarily an insurance company that wants to work with an LLC, but that you're matching the insurance company to the type of business you have. And that when you get to that workers' comp piece, you're working through with your agent what the right decision is as to whether you have the option to exclude or include yourself, and whether or not you should or want to, and what the benefits are there. Pretty much all the other coverages are going to fall in line. Carriers aren't going to really segment you out or kind of decline coverage because you're an LLC. It's really just something that they want to know for reporting purposes. So that all being said, finding the right agent is the key to matching you up. And if this is the kind of relationship that you would like with your insurance professional, someone who's upfront, honest, transparent, hopefully we come across that way, that's what we're trying to do here, then we would love to work with you. And the best way to get a hold of us, there's a few different ways. By phone, 518-960-6600. You can also email us at gorogue@roguerisk.com. You can visit us online at roguerisk.com, or I'm sure there's a button or a link somewhere around this video that lets you contact us. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.